everyone, my name is Dev Sinha and today I'm going to talk about the Eiffel Tower. Slide, you see the table of contents. So in the Eiffel Tower, we're going to talk about the overview, the science behind Eiffel Tower, the historical facts about the architect and other key points. Now we're going to talk about the overview. The Eiffel Tower is the most largest tower in the whole world. The Eiffel Tower is the only tower which is made of iron. It is 1,068 feet tall and it was built on January 1887. There are 3 floors in the Eiffel Tower. In this slide, I'm going to talk about the historical facts. The history of the construction of the Eiffel Tower was from 1887 to 1889. It was actually built as a symbol to mark the 100th anniversary in the French Revolution. It played the important role of France Now in this slide we're going to talk about the science behind Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower was designed in a science lab. When heat pressure is applied in the Eiffel Tower, the tower expands. People studied aerodynamics, astronomy, meteorology, psychology, which were applied in the Eiffel Tower. Now I'm going to talk about the architect. The Eiffel Tower was designed by Gustave Eiffel. He was born in 1832. After graduation, he began to specialize in constructing with metal, and his early work were in bridges. The Statue of Liberty was also made by Gustave Eiffel. Now we're going to talk about the other key points on Eiffel Tower. The design of Eiffel Tower is crisscross. The Eiffel Tower was 300 feet in the bottom and 324 on the top. The Eiffel Tower is made of iron. The Eiffel Tower is the most famous monument in France.